All right, so today we're doing a little shoe makeover. These are my husband's leather shoes, and let's be honest, they have seen better days. They're faded, they're scuffed, they've got worn spots, and they look tired. Instead of throwing them out, we're gonna go ahead and put this Boncrt Leather Recoloring Balm with sealer to the test. First impression, it comes in a really nice sized jar. You're gonna get plenty of product for multiple projects. It's thick, creamy, and already looks rich in color, not watery, not runny, and that's a good sign. It's made to work on shoes, bags, car seats, furniture, vinyl, leather accessories, so it's super versatile. Before applying anything, I did wipe the shoes down to remove dirt and dust, and this helps the balm stick better and gives you smoother results. Took maybe 2 minutes, super easy. Always wait till it's dry before you start. I am also using these little sponges that came with it, and I'm gently rubbing it into the leather, especially in the faded and scuffed areas. And look at this, you guys. The color starts coming back immediately. It's gonna cover scratches, darken fading spots, blends worn areas, and makes the leather look rich again. It goes on really smooth and it doesn't streak. I'm just working in small sections and buffing it in as I go, but this stuff is amazing me. My husband's shoes haven't looked like this since the day I bought them. These look like totally different shoes. The color is deep and even. The scuffs are basically disappearing. They look polished and well cared for. And honestly, they look close to new again. What I love is that this isn't just color, it also has a sealer in it. So after it dries, it helps protect the leather from cracking, drying out, and future fading. It leaves a nice soft shine and it's not greasy or sticky. We were sent this kit to test out, and after doing this, I have gone around my house finding other things that I can apply this leather cleaner to because it's amazing. It literally brings back the life of the leather. It makes everything look brand new. I'm so excited. This is so much fun to do.